Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up TCL Linkhub using the TCL Connect app. So first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna take care of the router. So what I mean by that is I want to go over the router first so that the installation and setup is more convenient. So first, rotate it like this. Now open this up. You can put it on by your fingernails, and you just need to swipe it all the way here. Now we get our SIM card, and here we can put it in a way like this. Of course, if you want the connection by the Ethernet, you get two ports right at the bottom here. The first one is LAN/WAN, and here we have the LAN. So now we need to put our card like this. And here, let's enter it. We need to push it down by our fingernail. So it might be hard for me because I don't really have any fingernails, but soon it should just pop right into it. So now once we hear a click, we know that we did everything correctly. We can close this up now, and as you guys can see, we got our router ready. Now let's put it like this. Here we have the power input. Here we have the LAN, WAN, WPS, and the power on router. So the best thing about it is that the router automatically turns on while you plug it into power. So let's put our cable in here. Now we can see that the light is here. Soon the Wi-Fi and 4G or 5G should pull up with a color. So now let me quickly just put it right here, and we're gonna move on into our phone. So what are we gonna do with our phone? We're simply gonna download the app on the Play Store. So let's go to search. Now let's type in TCL Connect App. And once we do that, we need to download this app right here, made by TCL Connect HK. We're gonna click install, and as you guys can see, it's only 62 megabytes. So I'll see you guys once I install it. Now after it's installed, we're gonna click open, and here, as you guys can see, we need to agree to the terms of service. So terms of use, privacy notice, and user registration agreement. We're gonna click agree, and here we're gonna switch to router. Now this specific router is here. You guys can find it. So it has the model HH515L. So you need to find the model. As you guys can see, all three lights went up. So we got Wi-Fi, 4G, and power turned on. Now this is HH515L. We're gonna allow it while using the app. Make sure that you select precise location. And now here it supports two methods to access the internet. So this is the wired network connection. This is what I was talking about, that you guys can do this method, or the mobile network connection. Also here we have the best location, access methods, and as you guys can see, switch on. So this is already switched on. We're gonna click configure right now, and we're gonna click connect right here. What we need to do is we need to go over and enter the password. So if you have a password here, you simply need to enter it. So now we click connect. Soon we should be in the settings, and once we are in the settings, what are we gonna do is we're simply gonna connect. If you're not being redirected, you can go over and open the internet settings on your own. Now as you guys can see, I do have this network right here because I've already set this up. So if you click on connect, as you guys can see, you should be connected. If not, then you need to enter the password. Of course, I took a picture of my password so I don't have to do it all over again. Here we got the password. The password is for the site, and where the SSID is, the Wi-Fi key here, is our password. So it's a bit long, but you shouldn't be worried about it. We are connected, and let's go over. Now we need to enter the account login. So this is this password right here, so GKX. So now let's enter it. So every single password should be different. If you have the same password, just copy what I'm doing, and if not, make sure to enter yours. So here we got the password. We're gonna click the check mark and log in. Here we have wired network settings, so we can change the connection mode from DHCP to static IP or PPPoE. I'm gonna keep DHCP since it's one of the best options. Here we can change a password. I'm not gonna do that. And as you guys can see, we have finished the configuration of our router. Welcome to use it. We're gonna click complete, and as you guys can see, everything is working just fine. In the connected devices, we got our pixel, and here we have our signal, what network it's using, and our provider. So that's how it looks like. We set up our TCL Linkhub using the TCL Connect app. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.